أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Inshallah, today we will read lesson number 2. Lesson number 2, haroof-e-murakabat and compound letters. And what's the compound letters? Now I'm telling about compound letters. Compound letter mean 2 letters, 3 letters, 4 letters and more than letters are joined together. That is called compound letters. Like this, only alif is called mufrad letter, but lam and alif, these are 2 letters are joined together, that is called murakab letters. And look at my screen, ain and lam, these 2 letters are joined together, that is called murakab letters, compound letters. And 3 letters are joined together, that is called compound letters. Like this, ba, lam, ba, 1 letter ba and lam and ba, these 3 letters are joined together, that is called compound letters. That is called compound letters. And next one, ba, ha, mim. Ba pronounced from the wet part of both lips, and ha pronounced from the bottom part of throat, and mim pronounced from the dry part of both lips. 1 letter ba and second letter ha and third letter mim. These 3 letters are joined together, that is called also compound letters. Ba ain dal, ain ba dal, ha mim dal, ha lam kaf. These are called compound letters because 3 letters and 2 letters and more than letters are joined together, that is called compound letters. Inshallah, tomorrow we will read lesson number 3.